Hey everyone, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable flash notification on your iPhone. So let's get started. Basically, flash notification will basically turn on your flashlight just like that whenever you get a notification, almost turning on and off your flashlight. In order to do this, first thing is you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone. And from the main setting here, we're going to go to accessibility. And from accessibility here, you're going to look for audio visual. So you're going to go down here, find the audio visual under the hearing section, right? And then scroll all the way down here where it says LED flash for alerts. We're going to turn that on. And then we're going to turn on LED flash for alerts. Now, if you want the flash when it's unlocked, you want to turn that toggle on. This is when the phone is unlocked, but if you don't want it when it's unlocked, you just simply turn that setting on. And if you want it in silent mode, you can turn that on. But basically all these settings are optional, but this is the main one, and that will allow you to get the phone to flash whenever you get any notification on your iPhone, enabling that feature. So that's how you enable flash notification on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.